Hi and welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been so long. It has been really weird out here with all the fire, smoke, and orangeness on here. It just really took a toll on my mood for creating content. Some days it looked like we lived on Mars, and some days it looked like we were living in a nuclear fallout. But the sun has been shining today. I'm in a good mood. I got to go out today. And so, yeah, I was in the mood to show you something I just got. The funny thing about it is I just happened to be scrolling on Twitter and saw a photo of a woman wearing these. And as passionate as I am about voting, not just in the biggie, but also in the midterm voting elections, I said I have to have these. So I went online and I actually got the last pair in my size, and I'm going to work these boots. I'm going to work them this year. I'm going to work them next year. I'm going to work them every time it's time for people to pay attention and vote. This, I think, is the first time where people are more openly discussing politics. It used to be, shh, don't talk about politics. But I'm really hoping that this year people realize we have an impact and we do need to discuss politics and we do need to participate in the process, no matter what we feel about the process or the Electoral College. We need to have our votes counted. And that's one of the reasons why I served my country. And I'm also super stoked because being a military brat and being in the military, I've hardly been able to vote in person. So this is like my fourth or fifth time maybe voting in person. So to me, that's just super cool because I always had to vote absentee. And so to me, it's fun, and I'm involving my daughter in it. We did this in the primaries. It was like a rite of passage. It was her first time voting. And I said, we are going. And we went together and just kind of made a mother-daughter day of it. And I wanted her to be able to remember that and have that memory, that democracy stands with us. And we need to be paying attention from the dog catcher on up. This is for the good of our communities and the good of each other, not just the good of ourselves. So I hope you guys are all registered to vote. And again, I'm so excited. I even have vote nails. I will take photos, but my latest nail designs are for voting. I'll post those on my Instagram. But let's get to the unboxing, right? You're here for the good, so let's get to that. So the boots that I saw, limited edition from Stuart Weitzman. And I actually had to go to the actual website to get these. These are the Stuart Weitzman 50/50 vote boots. Now I made a different choice than what was in the photo because I was just concerned about rubbing and wear, and also I want to have the ability, especially for the price that these boots were, to just wear them anytime without the vote part standing out. I have not bought Stuart Weitzman boots before. I do love boots. I rock boots. So it was kind of a no-brainer. So they give you, of course, it's a pink bag for your boots. There's Stuart Weitzman on it. I don't know why I'm sitting here with my legs crossed balancing this wide box, but oh my God, these look so cool. These are leather. Over the knee. So can you see it says VOTE. And I could have got these with white, but like I said, I worried about wear, and also I just want to be able to wear these anytime. This is my kind of boot style. I love the combat boot style. And you see this is an over-the-knee type boot. So that's what that looks like. So yes, and both boots say vote on them. So yeah, I'm putting my money where my mouth is. 100% of the proceeds go to a nonpartisan group that helps get people more motivated and educated on voting. So I didn't mind spending the money. They were about $695, $700 to buy these. They apparently only made 50 pair in each style. There were 2 styles and they made 50 pair. I know I got the last one in my size. When I scrolled last night, I was just checking some other sizes and it said email me when in stock, so they may be producing more. So I don't know if they're completely sold out or when their cutoff on creating these boots are going to be. But if it's your style, I would definitely go to the stuartweitzman.com website. If you've never been or don't have an account with them, you will get a 15% off coupon code for providing your phone number, email. So I did utilize that, but then I ended up paying more to get fast shipping because I'm voting early, and I'm just gonna rock these boots every time I go out until November and probably beyond, because like I said, I can wear them, you know, without the big white lettering on them. That got everybody talking. When Dr. Biden was wearing them the other day, when she went to go do her early voting, hers had the white lettering. So my pockets aren't as deep as hers, so I had to get the ones that could still be functional afterwards. So I was so excited to share this unboxing with you. I will post photos. I will post photos of my vote nails that I did. And yeah, I hope you are registered. I hope you know your deadlines for absentee voting. I hope you know when your early voting starts. I checked mine. And I hope you vote in person. So it's time for our voices to be heard. It feels really good to do it. If you haven't done it, don't be ashamed. You are always welcome to the club. But it is our right. And I hope to see those stickers coming up in the next few weeks that say I voted. And make it fashion. Make it fashion. And bring somebody with you. Tell a family member. Tell a young teenager in your family who's just turning 18 to get involved in the process. Because if you don't, you can't complain. Okay? I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.